Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel where we bring you the latest and most innovative interior design ideas. Today, we have something special in store for you, living room wall interior design that will transform your space into a heaven of style and comfort. Let's dive right in and explore some incredible idea to elevate your living room walls. Our first idea combines simplicity and sophistication. A striking, oversized, abstract painting can add depth and character to your living room walls, creating a captivating focal point. Wall decors and stickers are a fantastic way to infuse personality into your space. From nature inspired design to quirky geometric patterns, the options are endless. Gallery walls are all the rage, and for a good reason. They allow you to showcase your unique style and interest by combining various artworks, photographs, and decorative elements. Textures wall add depth and visual interest to any room, whether it's using textures, paint, wallpaper, and 3D panels. The effect is simple, memorizing. Shelving units not only provide practical storage solution but also serves as a canvas for displaying your favorite decor pieces, books and collectibles. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing your wall design. Experiment with ambient task and accent lighting to create the perfect ambience in your living room. Mural and wallpaper design can completely transform your living room walls, whether it's scenic landscape, abstract pattern, or intricate motifs. These larger than life design can make a bold statement and set the tone for your entire space. Accent walls are a popular choice for adding drama and depth to your living room. Consider using bold colors, textures, finishes, or even reclaimed wood to create a focal point that draws the eye and add visual interest. Mirrors are a fantastic addition in any living room wall. Not only do they create an illusion of space, but they also reflect light and colors, making your room feel brighter and more spacious. Tapestries are back in trend and are good reason. These woven artwork can add warmth, textures, and a touch of bohemian flair to your living room, instantly elevating its style quotient. How about bringing nature indoors with the living room wall, a vertical garden? These innovative designs not only purify the air but also add a refreshing touch of greenery to your living room, creating a tranquil and eco-friendly ambience. For joining me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay inspired and keep changing. Take care. Allah Hafiz.